with Steam Bright Supply, and today we've been testing our grout cleaning wand, and it works so well at 500 psi, then 800 psi, and 1200. We thought, shoot, maybe it might even work on a 300 psi portable. So we pulled one out. This is out of our rental fleet. So we'll go ahead and turn the pump on and back motor. You'll see the gauge is at 300. See what happens here. I'm probably going to have to pull it a lot slower, but it does still work. What it looks like underneath. You can see it doesn't spin around as fast as the higher pressures. But for a surprise, you could actually rinse and clean and do a little pressure washing on someone's grout line with this tool. It works very, very well. Anyway, thanks for watching.